In this video, we'll see a very different type of lasagna made of bread slices. Yes, we're not going to use lasagna sheets, we're going to use bread in this recipe.
Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel, The Terrace Kitchen. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do share this video with your friends and family, and if you want to see our recipes in Hindi, do check out our channel, The Terrace Kitchen Hindi on YouTube. Let's take a look at the recipe.
Let's first boil some tomatoes for our red sauce. So in a pan, heat half cup water, and to that add 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Cover this and cook for 10 to 12 minutes on medium flame. So you would notice that the tomatoes will become soft after that. If you want, you can remove the skin or you can keep them as is. It's up to you. Switch off the flame, let the tomatoes cool down, and after that grind them into a smooth puree. Remember, do not grind them hot, otherwise the mixer grinder jar might burst open. Meanwhile, heat 3 tablespoons butter in a pan. Let it melt. We are preparing our white sauce now. To this heated butter, add 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour or maida. You need to keep whisking so that there are no lumps, and for 2 to 3 minutes between low to medium flame, you need to roast it till the raw smell of the maida is completely gone. After that, keep adding milk, 1 cup milk, and you need to continuously whisk so that no lumps are formed in it. And this time the flame should be low. Half cup oregano and some salt as per taste. Give it a good mix. Our white sauce is ready, keep it aside. Let's prepare the red sauce. So heat 2 to 3 tablespoons cooking oil in a pan. Then add 2 tablespoons finely chopped garlic. Saute the garlic for 30 seconds to 1 minute till the raw smell of the garlic is gone and it turns slightly golden. Now add 1 medium-sized finely chopped onion and again saute till the onion becomes slightly golden in color. Now add the boiled tomato puree which we had prepared. 1 teaspoon red chili powder, or you can also increase or decrease as per taste. 1 teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon chili flakes. Give everything a good mix. At this time, the flame should be between low to medium. After 2-3 minutes or so, add some salt. A little water. Half teaspoon sugar, and you need to keep cooking this. You can cover and cook until the raw smell is gone. So I'm going to cover it and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. And you can see the oil has separated from the sides. Our red sauce is ready. Now let's prepare the veggies. So in a pan, heat 2 teaspoons oil. To that, add 2 tablespoons finely chopped garlic and saute for a few seconds till the raw smell is gone, approximately 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then add 3/4 cup boiled sweet corn, 2 small sized capsicum, 1 cup button mushroom. So the flame at this time should be medium. 1 small sized tomato, 3/4 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, and some salt as per taste. You need to saute these veggies at medium flame. You can also keep the flame high, like somewhere between medium to high, till the mushrooms leave water and the veggies are cooked yet a little crunchy. Now switch off the flame. So you have taken white bread slices. So these are not the bigger ones. These are small sized bread slices. I'm going to use 8. So depending on the size of your pan, you can use 8 to 10 slices. Remove the sides and then we are going to roll each slice with a rolling pin or balun. If the bread will be nice and fresh, it will be easier for you to roll it. So make sure you use good quality and nice and fresh bread. Similarly, roll the rest of the bread slices. So here our bread slices are ready. Okay, let's move ahead to the oven setup. So here I've heated a kadhai. In that I've put half cup cooking salt. The color looks different because I have reused it multiple times for baking. In normal convection or OTG at 180 degrees Celsius, you need to preheat, and this one at medium flame for 10 minutes. Here I've taken a baking dish. If you do not have a ceramic baking dish, you can use the glass one or normal cake mold. Any dish which you have available which can be used in oven or kadhai. So let's spread the red sauce first at the bottom and a little bit of the white sauce. So you can do the layering as per your wish, so only white sauce or only red sauce, up to you. So the next layer for me would be the layer of bread, so 4 bread slices. And on top of that again I'm going to put the red sauce layer and some white sauce. Spread, 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 spread. And here go our delicious veggies. Spread them evenly, and then I'm using cheese of 2 types, processed cheese and mozzarella. So processed cheese 4 cubes, mozzarella 100 gram, near about 100 gram. And a little more white sauce. So 1 layer of cheese and then again bread. A layer of bread followed by red sauce. Some white sauce, and the remaining cheese will go after this layer. Mozzarella, processed cheese, a little more white sauce, and I'm going to put some veggies and some red sauce on the top so that it looks nice and colorful. So once you're done preheating your OTG or convection or kadhai or pressure cooker as per my instructions, you need to bake this for 10 to 15 minutes. If you feel it should be baked a little longer, you can do that also. So 180 degrees Celsius for the ovens and medium flame for kadhai or pressure cooker. So the next step which I'm going to tell you is something which you need to do only in case of pressure cooker or kadhai, because in case of convection or OTG, the heat is also from the top, so the top becomes nice, even, and the cheese, everything spreads and little burnt top, just like pizzas. That doesn't happen in case of kadhai or pressure cooker. So open it, just smudge everything a little bit and again cover and bake for the remaining time. And after that you can see the cheese is bubbling on the sides. If you look at the video carefully, this lasagna is done. I'm taking it out. It looks beautiful. The cheese has nicely melted. So I'm putting some chili flakes on top, cutting it into 4 big pieces. This lasagna is so heavy that this one portion is quite filling for one person. So I think 4 people can eat this. Depends on appetite as well. Tell me in the comment section if you like this recipe. It's an easy and so delicious recipe. Give it a try and enjoy!